Yeah. Tata Zukshichun, the question about the solution you know the prepare cash flow statements it full cash flow statement chu cheno like te sangala the cash flow statement format ko shi ono sar kan bo ye ka mata chuen ya main heading gun tas de bakina ko to kija pata no operating ta detail ya just no investing na financing na jamit kerla mot kerata inflow at chu cheno outflow bo less chu cheno tene inflow ka ne chano outflow ka transaction ne chano zir kan mo da just no so so mai ka da tene gomange wi zo pochu ne so format po da cash flow statement stan tan tene testing na da zu ne so te ping kan page ne ne yeah cash flow statement da just one so Inada chalo kolam chichi bornan te bakina zuchozana ta kolam ischucheno mata chuchesipia he mata first heading bocheno cash flow from operating activities yeah you wata yomeda yeah that's testing and being at like chucheno cash flow from financing activities yeah so sorry financing one of second more investing outside third for financing second channel cash flow from investing activities so yeah chuni got I can just the six investing activities so third point cash flow from financing activities the financing inflow and outflow it less to cheno yeah you so Ota question gune chi just because na da kau et chujen to ina zo normal figure eltan to kya kau less chujen to ada bracket in eltan to kya kau eh ya isa ka ta just the add less cho kan yung kan bazen ota net cash so net increase or decrease in cash and cash equivalent so yung kan ba net increase so increase या decrease mata decrease na kalte minus है ना तो decrease है तो so in cash and cash equivalent so testing na ta tene juma ka cheno ata te kan yu ka ta so lupo add jono so add na ta jono yu ka opening so cash and cash equivalent ya cash and cash equivalents at the beginning opening cash and cash equivalent so ata opening cash balance bank balance ko ka add jo chen ba tyo jono ta closing ban da korang yo so yung kan bono ata closing cash and cash equivalent so yeah yung ata tene cash flow statement format position so cash flow statement format po ata position so cash flow statement tene ata tena date na date so ika as on ata date down no last time on balance sheet na ngam pucho so balance sheet date po no tene so first point the cash flow from operating activities second the cash flow from investing activities third point the cash flow from financing activities tete sankai less choose kan no net increase or decrease in cash and cash equivalents tenete ata add chano Devika add chujeno the opening cash and cash equivalent. Opening cash nang bank balance nang short term securities na te add chujeno. Tene te add just the kan no closing cash and cash equivalent. So by you ada dote no ya lupo he cash flow statement. Tangata cash flow statement that's the question about the jene yudwa. So yeah, my question about the siltan how much is it. So you do prepare cash flow statement from the following information. Do balance sheet as on the teno so 2004 ending now 5 ending so before ending bo 5 week nata opening bo 5 year opening now closing in liabilities assets so liability side la equity share capital 5 lakh 7 lakh 8% debentures look 6 lakh 4 lakh profit and loss account look 3 lakh 5 lakh creditors look 6 lakh 9 lakh then asset side la cash and bank balance look 3 lakh 4 lakh sundry debtor look 4 lakh 6 lakh stock do 5 lakh 6 lakh goodwill do 2 lakh 50 1 lakh 70,000 discount on debentures do 50,000 30,000 plant gata do 55 lakh 7 lakh so basa ina ata cash and bank balance ta tena last ka ata zo kayo so cash flow statement last ka then sundry debtor mo ata current assets no yo ata working capital change na ina change of stock ta change so stock nang iska so goodwill bangata tene intangible asset discount on issue of debenture the fictitious asset the in iskina ngata mangpo sonto kam sonto ngata you write off just then also add back jo cheno mata non cash items cha cheno plan ngata tene investing activities na yon cheno te ngata purchase just to ya sell just to te fia da yoga information ta additional information depreciation charge on plant amount to rupees 80,000 80,000 depreciation dos kya tene opening closing to ta se ata plant account ledger bo chosto na tena ata purchase chosto sell chosto balancing figure bo bing cheno so yeah tene ingos ponda equity share capital ngata do 5 lakh 7 lakh kina increase sonto na ata chino issue chosto no so 8% debenture look 6 lakh 4 lakh increase sonto na you debenture issue chosto कम सोचते हो ना डिवेंचर वो रिडेम्पशन चोस्ते हो सो प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट में आता है प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस से डिफरेंस को इकनलता जन होता है करंट ईयर प्रॉफिट को ये ओपनिंग बैलेंस नो क्लोजिंग बैलेंस नो ये डिफरेंस को आता है चीनो करंट ईयर प्रॉफिट नो क्रेडिटर्स नता तेने करंट लायबिलिटीज नो वर्किंग कैपिटल चेंज शिप या नता चेनो ना इंक्रीज डिक्रीज होता ना सो तो अब सो ina pechi juma kan ye wata start jostania so yeah ika ta tene is option cash flow statement ngata dak sitte question ba chen ya so yeah cash flow so statement so you ngata tene choches no ngata so ngata ngata yuna column nis tan ches no ngata tene adjustment ba na ko chon kherbos no sa yeah you ngata tene sing se you ngata line bu dia so yeah go man so line chi ngata line ngata gis tan ches na chik pina ngata detail chik pina total chen kerchen ba so first ngata tene dasi tola e ngata du poser na head poser na you ngata goma pincheno cash flow from operating activities so Yeah, you know the heading chichi no so undo just no just na heading chichi no ya tene ina ta net profit pingo mama net profit as per balance sheet mata balance sheet e basis e pin chao che balance sheet mana ta ste mette no ya te mana profit and loss statement as per profit and loss statement ati na jeno te mata 5 lakh mata closing balance do mira 3 lakh opening balance do so current year mata profit pos kya 2 lakh so iya tene mata plus chocheno na items to be added the item khajinga da add chos te no mana te na mata altas te kyona chichi ta depreciation yok patas dimra te mata profit and loss account chosane pe tas kya 80,000 dimra iya tene also long da tans te do goodwill ngata so question be alta na ngata goodwill ngata kam so to so ikane ngata question tak ponil ta na goodwill ngata do ine do 2 lakh 15 है 1 lakh 70,000 so to so to then discount on debentures 50,000 ne 30,000 left to na you ata fictitious asset no you ata intangible so in iska right of choose no so kam so kane matlab no right of choose no lekin right of cho na ata cash ina ata outflow maso kya so lekin कोई cash ata profit things ane tans kya tans bisana you ata add back chose you ata cash non cash item no na non cash item in pa you ata add back choche no ikaso yeah add back ngata ika choche no goodwill written off so goodwill written off ngata 2,50,000 less 1,70,000 macam charu 170 80 92 80,000 so much yeah you have 80,000 so yeah then also long ata discount on so discount on debentures written off yeah discount on ata right off choose kya 50,000 ne ata sama laptop 30,000 so but 20,000 you right off choose to opening ata do people 50,000 closing do 30,000 so by difference pokata so 20,000 yeah isanga mane yang extraordinary item to look miru do so 80 160 180 so 1,80,000 yeah 2 lakh ka 1,80,000 das pangata so 3,80,000 yeah ये total pangata so इसका add choose देनो pangata so 3,80,000 so you want to search channel operating profit before working capital change you want to know operating profit before working capital change so tene na ta channel working capital change mo channel so yeah working capital change ata chola chose da at less ngata chomda at ngata jo channel so increase in current liabilities and decrease in current assets so mata current liabilities na current asset ngata ikalta na current liabilities ngata 6 lakh ne 9 lakh so increase so ma so creditors ngata do 9 lakh so less 6 lakh or 3 lakh so ma so yeah this thing ngata tene current liability chik mana mi rukta os ba current asset la ta na ta decrease in current asset ta os stock mata sundry debtor 4 lakh ne 6 lakh aso to increase on to stock mata 5 lakh ne 6 lakh aso ba sane iska mata increase on ba tene mata ina mane mete no so ina mata ikachos kya 3 lakh chose mata 6 lakh 80,000 so ba so yeah yame kata less choche no mata increase in current assets and decrease in current liabilities so tevena mata chik mata sundry debtors dumra sundry debtors increase on to mata 4 lakh na 6 lakh alip to so 6 lakh minus 4 lakh 4 lakh yeah you mata 2 lakh so then also la stock mata increase on to 5 lakh na 6 lakh less 5 lakh so 1 lakh so yeah iska so mata 3 lakh yang mata mirupiya current asset ya liabilities math pasane yung ada mana shochang bracket and transfer mata yang so 3 lakh 80,000 so blocks te antene kale maleba so yeah yung mata le 3 lakh 80,000 la so ta yung mata net cash from operations ta yang chang chos mete no ina mata tax tax te miru mata extraordinary item tax te miru dua so ina mata chino na net cash from operating activities so e venga ta total wo yu ostan to so yu mata so e so heading a total bo yeah ta testing me ta chucheno yeah so yeah testing me ta heading number b chucheno cash flow from investing activities yeah second heading mo ta chucheno investing activities hai tifyang ta sip investing activities sang ta item chichi tu plant na ta 5 lakh opening do 7 lakh closing do tena depreciation jita so mata plant account mo ta yang pechi ka jostan so te loss te na pechi ka ta continue chen working no ta he mata last pechi ka chen working so working no ta chen te na mata so calculation of number 1 calculation of plant purchased ya sold so plant ata purchase chusto sell chusto te piano ta plant account ata ipo chono ledger lo he hoga ye plant account ledger ena ata debit side credit side so plant ata asset in of the fair to balance brought down ata debit side la ata opening balance ucheno 5 lakh he was for the by balance C by D closing balance also 7 lakh then ata by depreciation ata ameda credit side la by depreciation 80,000 kwezete bro ta yang chang mete no na ta balancing figure bol ta che no cost side po cha charu you ata 7 lakh 80,000 ho e side po cha charu bro 7 lakh 80,000 7,80,000 so less ngata 5 lakh choose but 2,80,000 masa tengata you ngata debit side la so you ngata chizen to bank account so purchase choose kya purchased so balancing figure so balancing figure means that 2,80,000 purchase choose by you ngata chiso cash outflow so masa the inflow ngata meteno outflow ngata yoteno so masane dasengata inda page bikanda hangan ma page lost teo yeah hangan ma page ponda page number 1 2 2 3 yeah page number 3 kata page number 3 kata teno format 1 kana yeah so cash flow from investing so ina ata tene chido cash inflow from investing activities inflows na ta plan ji sell cho na ta chi ong che no pe ne ong che no tui na ta chong na de wa ta chang me ma ta ni so te ne nga ta yang ta chi chi cash outflow from investing activities tene ina ta chi ong du na ina ta plant purchased ta so plant ta purchase choose to ma choose to sama choose to 2,80,000 yeah you want a less you want a jono less jono mana so less jono da minus choose mosa yeah you want that in bracket important da sumba minus choose by yang chang mate wata total 2,80,000 da minus ya yoste no da so you want the net so cash used in investing activities chedna ta minus ya by you used cheno ta used so yeah tangata number C chose hoda heading C no kata cash flow from financing activities so yeah financing activities na da tene kheche no so third the number C base sponsor the na last taine kata chuchu go shendo cash flow from financing activities so yeah you na da tene chidu ina da do equity share capital increase sonte do so bazana you mata so increase chano ta share issue chos kya ma chosa so pene yons kya inflow so masa yeah issue of equity share capital so you mata do 7 lakh ne 5 lakh ne 7 lakh lepto so 7 lakh minus 5 lakh yeah you mata 2 lakh so masa testing mata debenture chi chos to mata 8% debenture wo 6 lakh ne 4 lakh so ma kam so to you redemption chos kya so ma outflow so masa so ma yang ata dem chang mi ruk mata so you mata ika 2 lakh yeah less ngata chu cheno redemption of debentures yeah debenture redemption jo kon mo ta chino minus ya cheno pa mo ta 6 lakh ne 4 lakh ale to na minus 4 lakh so ba ayu mata yos 2 lakh mata yos mo sa you mata minus ya so masa so but total ngata ikalta na ngata nil osmosa nil yeah net cash flow from financing activities ons nil osmosa so but ngata tene net so increase or decrease kwanta stana so net ngata increase or decrease to stana ngata guma ngata first heading bo ngata a number a total bo kata chame hoste du a total bo 3,80,000 du mira plus adu b total bo 2,80,000 minus adu mira so basa c ngata 0 so basa ne plus etyo chara mira so net increase so basa yeah net increase in cash and cash equivalent so yeah you ngata chuche you ngata kasu things te no na you things te ngata a plus b plus c chosne you ngata 3,80 and 2,80 put 1 leg almost plus 1 leg so but tenete ngata 8 chuche no so cash and cash equivalent at the beginning opening ngata cash and cash equivalent but some open 3 leg open so like 3 leg so ngata total ngata chuano closing boyons te no so ngata question bo ठीक sonte dikte no ya I honkan bazano cash and cash equivalent at the end so you are the 4 legs so we add drama so 4 leg ngati balance sheet na then total azupotu cash and bank total budura you are the certain no cash flow statement ngata full you are the sonte no so dasange format ngalanga taste no te format taste ina zumata cash flow statement choche no somba I chapter lo sarte no tene kije exercise ane da practical problems ane question indirect method ka samyotte question gun practice choche no haba so tene ka ta question ne thore ngata next lecture na da inawe second ngata chapter go valuation of goodwill ka chene haba so yeah then the close chade